Hi, guys. I just wanted to take a few minutes tonight and share with you some ideas that you can utilize to create your website, your funnels, your landing pages, your lead magnets, your courses, track your contacts, track everything, all from one place. Yes, it's called Scribble Funnels. Yeah. So I'm down here in the corner. So I just want to take you through a few things tonight. So I'm gonna just place this so where I can see it. I'm gonna put it over here on the left side of the screen, and then I'm going to come down in here and utilize this. And then I'm going to interact with you here tonight. So we're going to have a good time. We're going to bring this out here. And I'm showing you just some things that you can do with Scribble Funnels. Everything you're watching me do tonight, you can do on yours. Everything that we have created on our site, we've created with our Scribble Funnels tool. So this is magnificent for you. Anything you see here, you can duplicate. Okay. So we just want to show you a few things. First of all, you can create your next website or funnel in minutes. So we're going to get into that. I'm going to show you just a few things that you can utilize along the way. And then you don't have to have any coding skills at all. And then there's some testimonials there. But again, this is the builder. And just to take you through the builder, you have a store, you have contacts, you have appointments that you can schedule, and every time you go into a different, there's always going to be a video, guys. Anytime you go into a different location, there's plenty of videos. There's an academy that you can go through of different things and how to utilize. And if you go through the whole thing, you'll be you'll be 90% smarter than everybody else out there. Trust me. This is probably one of the most robust tools out on the market today. And we have compared it with ClickFunnels and Drop Funnels and Groove Funnels and Builderall, and just to name a few. And to have a place where you can have a calendar that's built in, you can have a store that's built in, you can have contacts that are built in, emails and automations. But I want to show you just a real quick way tonight of how you can create a landing page within minutes, guys. So I sure hope that for whoever watches this tonight, I sure hope you're getting a lot of information out of it. So here we go. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to just step out of this and I want to create a funnel. So I want to create let's say I want to do a lead generation funnel here real quick. And since I'm working on a book right now, I'm going to just do a book funnel with you. Okay. So let's just say I want to do a sales. I want to do a book. I want to do an ebook purchase. So I'm going to do this. I've already got one of these here already, but I'm just going to do this again. So should have turned right. I'm doing this all in real time. That way I can differentiate them. And I'm going to save that. And then it's going to create the funnel. Okay. And everything you're seeing me do, I'm doing this live for you guys. So the open my funnel. Okay. So here I can watch this. I can watch this short introduction video. Let's just see what it has to say, shall we? Okay. so encourage you to watch this, okay? So I can just go ahead and open my funnel here. I want to open my funnel. I've got to see, I've got a checkout. I've got a thank you already. I got a landing page. I can add any step here. I can add upsells. In the checkout, I can do bump offers, all of that. So just the, so you have your, so now I'm just going to have, okay, I'll just change this here to right here. I want to get pre order your copy of right, okay, a book by let's do caps lock. A little bit about make winners make decisions fast and change them slowly. Losers make decisions slowly and change them often. Be a winner. Order your book today. I know. Just going to go up here and I'm going to change this to $9.95. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to just take it to the next funnel step there. See what that says there? Just take it to the next funnel step. And then I'm going to, I want to change this image here. So I'm going to add an image. I don't have any in that here. So I'm going to upload the file. So I'm going to look for my book. All right, here we go. There it is. I'm going to open that up and it's uploading the book. So all this again is in real time. So there we go. I want to change that background. I want to give it a, let's go with something around like here. Okay, so then I just want to lighten it up just to here, kind of, I want to try to get it to match that. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And then I want to do, maybe I want to do a border. Yep, see? I can even round that out. So whatever you want to do there, then I'm going to, maybe, do I want a shadow? We'll skip the shadow there. And then I want to hit save so I don't miss anything. And then I could do about the book. I could type some things in about the book. I can give it a picture of myself here. So I'm going to upload my picture. See if I can find it here real quick. I know I've got it in here. Downloads. There we are. Oh, it's asking for another picture here. So let's just pretend, close. Let's just pretend I'm going to just place this one here. So I've got that in there now. About the author, I can type something there. Okay. And then I can share some testimonials down here. And then I can, your path to a six-figure business. Okay. I can retype that, reminding them to pre-order their copy. Pre-order your copy today and get the free audio and released. Okay. Let's just go ahead and delete that. There we go. Just want to remind them to do it here tonight. So they're going to get 4,995. Second line is going to be normal a 29.95 value. And then I can even add an icon. So if I want to do a book icon, I've got a book icon. There we go. Change that back to $9.95. There we go. Then I want it to go to the next funnel step. Okay. So then we're going to do the next funnel step. So basically, I have done this, changed that. We're going to go to the next funnel step. We're going to go to the checkout. Now, obviously, it says $49 here. I'm going to add I'm going to add the copy. I'm going to add my product. Add a product. Oh, I'm going to say it's a physical product. Should have turned right. I can add something in here about it. I'm going to add a picture of that book again. There we go. And I'm going to put the price in here. $9.95. If I'm using an SKU number, I can do that. I can do it. Maybe it's a subscription product. Maybe you want to bring them into a community. Maybe you want to sell a membership, whatever you want to do there. And then we're going to put a category. We're going to save that. Oops. We got to go up and do a category first. That's what it's asking me to do. So edit categories. I'm going to add one. Books. So then I'll confirm that. And then I'm going to save it. So now I've got my book in there. So here, when I come back to the builder, check this out. I'm going to just pick that product. Should have turned right. Confirm. And there you have it. Voila. I'm ready to go, right? One thing I got to do, though, is, I'll stay and save this. I'm going to add that picture of the book right here. Again. I'm going to change all this background here. Bring it back to where I was before. Trying to get that color just right. Then we're going to take and we're going to add that border again, kind of match the other one. I'm going to round those edges off. Here we go. So now I've got my book in there. I want to get that book just a little bigger though. I can make that book just let's drop this down. Move this down here. Maybe I want to move that up there. Now I can resize that image. So I'll make it any bigger or smaller I can. And then I've got my testimonials down here. Okay. Add some testimonials in there. And then I want to come back here. Let's stay and save that. So save all that. So now I've got that done. So now I'm going to come over here because maybe after they buy my book, when they complete the order, I want to do a pop-up to give them the ability to set up a free strategy session with me. So how would I do that? I'm going to come over here to the appointments and I'm going to set up create a booking appointment. And I'm going to just say appointment with Master of Disaster. And then talk about destroying the world. It's going to be a Zoom one. And send an email to the client about their meeting when a new appointment is made. I'm going to do next and add an operator. So that would be me, of course. And I can take my picture in there. Let's pretend that's my picture. And then I can sign into the Google Calendar. We're going to cancel that, but we're going to add me over here. And then we're going to save those changes. And we're going to come down here to my availability. Is it a one-on-one or is it a group? You can schedule that 45 minutes every day. Now I'm using a software that doesn't like the, so we'll just say every day there. I'm using OBS just for you that are watching so you can see my pretty face down here in the corner, but you can see everything I'm doing. So then I would hit next here. And then I can add forms. I can edit. I can say I want their phone number. Maybe I want a text field. Maybe I want a select field or a checkbox or date field. I want to put a file in there. Maybe I want to share something. Maybe I want to have them do you can do a section. So we'll call that good. So, and then we're going to do next. And then this is the confirmation. Thank you for your appointment. Okay. We will be discussing your business in detail. Okay. And you can add a call to action if you'd like, but I'm just going to hit save those changes. Now that my builder is updated, I'm going to come back here. When they buy this, okay, so when they buy this, I'm going to come back here to the checkout. So when they complete the order, okay, I want to add a step here. I want to add a new step, and I want to do a pop-up, and I would just like to do a informational, maybe a thank you. See, I'm going to show you what I can do here. I'm going to take this and we're going to expand that out a little bit. And I'm going to add a widget, which is that booking here. I'm going to put it right down here. And then I'm going to select that. If it's going to let me here, because I'm working with this OBS software, that we're going to try this one more time. Come on. Well, you can select it from there, but it's not allowing me to. Sorry about that, guys. It's something with the software, but you can actually create a calendar link. You can create a booking. And when you drag that out, and you can add any widget here, you can add a quiz to any, so you figure out where you'd like to add that. Wherever you see that orange line is, and then you can add a headline, thank you, how would you rate your service? You could take them through a quiz, whatever you would want, okay? And you could manage the quiz results. You can do a page redirect. You can do thank you message. You could even create a certificate that they could download as they've completed a course, as they've done something that you've wanted them to do. But see, here's the thing, guys. I'm going to just cancel out of this. I'm going to just delete that. Yep. Discard. There we go. So now we're back to here. We've got our funnel step. We've got our checkout that's ready to go. And I can do a special thank you here. And here we're going to do edit the image here. And we can do add a folder, or we can add that image right in there again, reminding them of the book. Okay. Thank you for your purchase. You will receive an email if it's a pre-order. Since we're pre-ordering this, they'll receive an email to get when book is out. And book is released. Other good ways for them to verify their email and maybe check their email. So be sure to check your spam for our emails. That's a good way for them to make sure that you are going to be receptive. One of your email, you want them to always be looking at your emails. So thank you for your purchase. I can add anything I want here, though, guys. If I want to add a video in there, I could add a video, and look how quickly that was added there. But we just created a thank you page. We created the download, the shopping cart, and the order page. So we've got the landing page, we've got the checkout, and we've got the thank you all in one. Guys, I'm telling you, this software is the best software that you guys can get. It's amazing. It's amazing. So you owe it to yourself to at least try this software. And if you have any questions, but go to scribblefunnels.com and you can get our, you can get everything that you need to get your business up and running online. And then also, we'll be doing periodic classes like this showing you, but everything you see here is included with it. You can build a course with this. You can build pretty much anything you want. Build a store, e-commerce, completely customizable checkouts. Guys, do yourself a favor and don't wait. Don't delay, guys. Do it today. So with that, guys, thank you so much for paying attention today, and I hope you have learned a few things. Thank you.